Olivia Munn is chic and sophisticated in a suit while making her way inside The Daily Show with Trevor Noah on Tuesday, September 19 in New York City. The 37-year-old actress talked all about voicing a character in the upcoming Lego Ninjago movie and also discussed her investments in apps like Uber and the dog walking service Wag. Photos. Check out the latest pics of Olivia Munn. So excited to announce that I've joined the one dog walking app at Wag as creative strategist and proud investor, Olivia announced on her Instagram post. I'm incredibly passionate about making dog ownership easier and more accessible for everyone. I want everyone to be able to experience the joy I've had with Chance Frankie, and Wag helps make that possible. I had a blast co-producing this commercial with the founders Olivia Munn, The Daily Show with Trevor Noah. Olivia is wearing a Stylan suit and Chloe Gosselin shoes. Credit Dara Kushner. Photos. Instaimages.com posted to Olivia Munn.